Hello subscribers, you guys be waiting for some updates for my very ambitious project, right? Which is getting my very popular 8-fan Bafang BBS02 750 watts mid-drive electric bike motor and squeezing 3000 watts. So I'm gonna get rid of this boring 25 amps controller that's limiting all the potential you can get from this electric motor, and I'm gonna squeeze 3000 watts there, from 750 to 3000 watts, man. So I want to fly. I've done 82 kilometers an hour in my road bike with this motor, and now I want to fly. So what I'm doing is I've got this helicopter motor controller, which is designed for remote control helicopter application, right? So this is meant to fly. Look at the size of this and look how light it is, man. Very tiny. If you want to squeeze the same amount of power in an electric bike controller, wow, man, this is gonna be a 10 times, no, I'm not exaggerating, 10 times bigger and heavier, okay, with lots of wirings and stuff. So this one I'm gonna adapt. I'm gonna do some little, like, I'm gonna be doing some tricks to like connect the controller directly to this. So it's not that simple. I have to connect some, have to get some little circuits like this and connect and more things and do some like solderings, and I have to tell the controller that I'm not operating a helicopter, I'm running an electric bike, so which is a completely different acceleration curve. So I need to fix the throttle settings and change the voltage and things there. It's a bit geek job, but yeah, it will be quite fun. I like electronics. So for the very first time I'm showing my battery. I got lots of people sending me messages all the time. Hey, what's your battery setup? What's the range? What cells do you use? How big, how heavy it is, how many cells, where did you get it from? Well, so right, so this is for the first time I'm showing. I made my battery pack. This is using the NCR 18650 PF cell. Right, so this is a Panasonic cell. So I got 70 cells here, arranged in series and parallel. So 14 cells in series, which equals, like in my case, I do 57.1 volts, and 5 cells in parallel. So each cell I got 10 amps. So I got 50 amps continuous or 90 amps peak in this setup. Okay, if I get more cells, I get more power, but in this particular setup I get up to 2,500 watts peak. This is the BMS battery management system, which controls like a maximum power, maximum charge, and balance everything the same voltage, so everything is equal. Right, so let's stop talking about my, you know, boring stuff. Let's get to the exciting things. If you want to fly, I've got this Turning G battery, which is drone batteries, right? So this particular one is designed for like a heavier application. Okay, drone would never carry this. This is massive. This one, each cell here, look the size. Look, I'm just going to put side to side so you have an idea what power. So this, I say it can handle 90 amps peak, right? This one, this single cell here, can handle 300 amps. This is insane, right? So, but this is 22.2 volts, right? If you're not very familiar with the drone batteries and lithium polymer batteries, so 22.2 volts. So putting all together, charged, we're gonna get 50 volts, but I get like so many amps, so I can go up to 60 amps in this particular setup for my Bafang thing, right? So then here I got this touch screen battery balancer, and here's just showing like this, all cells inside are very well balanced, and I can get some graphics. It's very high tech. showing the curve, like how it's being charged, right? So I can, it's very quite complex geek, but yeah. And then this is just showing real time, right? Yeah, so this is just a quick update, and yeah, I am squeezing the 3000 watts inside of my thing. I'm just waiting for another little circuit like that's been missing. It just got lost on the way from the US. Got lost coming to Australia. It's too far. Cool. So thanks for subscribing my channel, and I'll keep you up to date as soon as I get my hands on the thing that's missing here. Okay, thanks a lot.